So what is law of assumption at anong pinagkaiba niya sa law of attraction? Madalas na pagkakapareha yung assumption and attraction, pero the main difference is this, no? Law of attraction says na you get things by vibrating, by raising your vibration, and by being in a frequency of abundance, then you will attract abundance in your life. So that's what they teach in the law of attraction. I don't personally believe that you will attract things in your life. I believe that whatever you assume to be true will later harden into a fact. So, law of assumption is more about being. Ang teaching nga ng assumption is to disregard the 3D world. So, it does not really promote na you will get the beautiful things in life. It talks about reality creation or how things happen in this 3D world in a perspective that is very novel and interesting at the same time. The reason bakit sa tingin ko interesting yung law of assumption is akala nila it's all about it teaches you how to get something in life, but if you really understand law of assumption, it's all about prioritizing yung state mo, yung current state mo, and being yung future self mo in the present self mo, if that makes sense. The main difference is that the law of assumption says na consciousness is the only reality. So whenever I say that, ang ibig ko sabihin is imagine yourself as if para kang projector and may lumalabas na ilaw sa mata mo. Okay, so parang projector na may lumalabas na ilaw sa mata mo. So and then imaginein mo rin na merong tunay na projector sa tabi mo. So makikita mo na kahit anong isigaw mo dun sa nakikita mo sa projector, like kunwari sa sine, 'di ba may makikita kang images dun sa projector or yung moving pictures dun sa picture. If ayaw mo yung eksena dun kahit anong sigaw mo na, "Wag mo siyang pansinin or wag mo siyang balikan," 'di ba may mga gano'n. Kahit anong gawin mo like hindi magbabago 'yun. Most of the time gano'n yung ginagawa natin when we're trying to change something in the 3D 'no, parang sinasabi natin, "Kailangan mong gawin 'yan, wag mo parang fino-force natin yung projection lang sa screen, and the law of assumption works this way na kung saan wag mong sigawan yung 3D picture. Detach yourself from the 3D picture and ano, balik ka dun sa source which is yung feeling state, yung how do you feel, like yung state of consciousness, yung awareness of being, balik ka dun. Para dun mo mapapalitan yung 3D world mo. And sabi ni Neville na itong 3D world is a realm of effect na akala natin may ginagawa tayong productive dito, pero lahat ng 'to is just an effect of what's within, 'no? Lahat ng 'to effect lang. So if this is effect, sabi niya nga, bakit ka pa gagalaw dito? Bakit ka pa strategize dito or kung ano-ano, sabi niya, hindi na 'yun para sa'yo, hindi mo na para malaman yung how. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is malaman kung ano yung end state mo. Like what is it that you actually want sa end state mo. So, 'yun yung sinasabi ni Neville, eh. 'Yun yung sinasabi ng law of assumption, eh. You already assume that whatever you desire is already you, 'di ba? Not already yours, but is already you. No, and that's it for this video. And sinamahan tayo niya, nakinig siya sa buong kwentuhan natin. That's it. Thank you.